Hey guys, so today I thought I'd demo the Apple CarPlay feature with the Honda Goldwing. There's a compartment here that you can get. You need to get a cable that you can connect up to this spot down here. This cable from the bike, and you make sure that it supports your phone, of course. And right now the bike is running, it's sitting here at neutral. So what I'll do is the first thing you must have is you have to have a Bluetooth connection headset that is connected to the motorcycle. So I'm going to turn my headset on right now. Okay, my Bluetooth headset just told me it's connected. So the instructions on how to connect the headset up to the motorcycle is very straightforward, and the user manual does a great job of explaining that. I'm not going to go over that. So let's assume you've got that all set up. Now you want to do CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, or I think Android too. I haven't tried that. But anyhow, so it's very straightforward. There's only one little glitch with it, but I'll explain that in a second. Basically, make sure your phone's turned on. And I think the screen shouldn't be locked, but let's try it. Right now the screen's locked. I'm going to plug my phone in. Now right now there's nothing at this part of the screen right here. That's where the CarPlay emblem will pop up when you're on the home screen of the navigation screen here, or the home screen of the display. So let's plug it in. Okay, it says unlock phone to use accessories. So now I'm going to unlock my phone. And you'll see the Apple CarPlay feature has popped up, and it's in the navigation screen. And then the navigation screen in Apple CarPlay is just spectacular. You'll also see on the side here, there are other apps that I can access that are from my phone that I can also customize and have. Not all your apps are available through the CarPlay when you're on the motorcycle. But you can move apps and have them displayed on the left side here. So I have Google Maps displayed, it works great. And then the one down from that is the Slacker radio app. So then I can go ahead and play all kinds of music, and which is spectacular on the motorcycle. The speakers are really nice, even though you have a helmet on, it's plenty of volume and good quality. It's not for an audiophile level quality, but it's definitely good enough. You can enjoy the music. So anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little demo. I'm going to drive. This time I'm actually going to go to the gym. Last time I said I was going to the gym, I never made it because I didn't want to ride through a residential neighborhood when I was testing performance. That would have been dumb. So anyhow, I'm gonna head to the gym, and I'll have the CarPlay on the whole time, and we can get a feel for how Google Maps, how the navigation system operates, and that kind of thing. So away we go. Let's see, I'm going to talk to it, and I'm going to tell it to go to Morgan Run. Drive to Morgan Run Country Club. Okay, it found it. I'm going to say go.
Starting route to Morgan Run Club and Resort.
And you can have the volume, you can adjust.
Head south on Caminito Exquisito, then turn right onto Caminito Classica.
The volume is quite loud, and I like it that way because when the engine's running, it's hard to hear it. But you can have the volume is adjustable, so you can set it up exactly how you want it. So let's go to the gym, and we'll just go for a cruise, follow the directions, and then it'll take about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get there, and then that'll be the end of the video, and you'll get a good idea what the CarPlay tool's about. So, away we go.
Turn right. At the light, turn right onto Carmel Country Road. 1.7 miles, turn left onto Quarter Mile Drive.
Another beautiful day here in San Diego. I have been slacking off. I've been spending all my time trying to fix my golf swing, which has been a mess. So I haven't been on the bike very much. So this is a nice break. And I haven't been going to the gym either, so I've been slacking off on that too. So this will be a good day where I kill two birds with one stone, get a workout in and also get a ride on the bike. And we get a little demo of the Apple CarPlay. I absolutely love it. It's so nice. It'll say stuff like, go through the next light and turn right on the following light, that kind of thing. So it gives you a really good heads up of what you need to do, so you have time to change lanes and get in position, you know. I've got just over 3,700 miles on this motorcycle. Initially, it was because of the windshield. It was kind of hairy to drive. I was at any kind of speed, but the new windshield really made a difference. And it's nice having the highway pegs.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Quarter Mile Drive.
And the bike is heavy. It's an automatic. This is a DCT model. It is not the easiest thing to handle at slow speed when you're doing like tight turns and that kind of thing. So I don't even want to risk dropping the bike. So it has reverse. So just like I would with a car, if I couldn't turn around, I would do a 3-point turn. So that's how I handle it. I know there are guys that can bang this thing on a dime, it's impressive. You know, you can get pretty good at it, I guess. You know, definitely if you practice, like Mojo Jitsu guy is really good. Where you actually, you know, you ride the brake, the rear brake with your foot. At the same time you give it gas. You got to keep the gas on. And then you can control it pretty good. You just feather the brake with your foot, and you can control the speed enough to do some slow speed turns and that kind of thing. But honestly, it's so simple to dump this, any heavy bike really. Once you get going slow and you don't keep your speed up and you hit the brake, for instance, like the front brake especially, if you hit the front brake, it'll stop the bike on a dime, and then next thing you know, it's on the ground. So it's very rarely that I need to make a tight U-turn somewhere, you know. I'll usually just drive a little further and then do a big loop turn, or, you know, I just don't want to have this thing fall on my leg or something. These things are so heavy. And once it starts going, there's no stopping it. It's a lot of weight. But anyhow. So the navigation system wants me to turn left up ahead, 500 feet. So I'm in the wrong lane. I was not paying attention, so I'm going to have to jump on this a little bit and then get over there.
Turn left onto Quarter Mile Drive. onto El Camino Real.
One thing I really love about the bike is the adjustable windshield is just awesome. I mean, after riding bikes for a long time, you're always between the windshield not being high enough or not being low enough. You know, when you're just cruising around slow speed, you'd love to have one completely off the bike. And then when you're on the highway, you can't get it high enough, you know. So this has the adjustable windshield. I can lower it way down. At this speed, you get a nice breeze. Or if I get up in the highway and I'm flying along, I need the buffering, so I'll just crank it all the way up. That's just such a luxury. It's actually, I mean, to me, because I'm so paranoid that the wind, I get really buffeted by the wind. I don't like that.
At the next light, turn right.
So this windshield adjustability thing really, I feel so much more relaxed on the bike. Really helps in the rain. Also, I got caught out in a little bit of a sprinkle, and I could raise the windshield high enough to prevent the rain hitting my face, so that would help a great deal. Yeah, this motorcycle is just it's such a pleasure to drive. With the, I love the DCT transmission. If you want, you can handle it manually with the shifters. I did a video to show that. Or just let it do all the shifting, which it does superb, nice and smooth, you know. Makes it a lot of fun. I used to have so much trouble with the foot shifter. My ankle just doesn't like lifting up in that, you know, lifting my toes up like that. I know it could have gone with that heel toe shifter, but once I saw this was available, I had to test drive one.
Turn right.
And if you're in the mindset of like thinking about getting a motorcycle, you just have, and you know, you want this style of motorcycle, you absolutely have to try the automatic and see what you think. I mean, you're never going to stall it out. Never, ever, ever, ever. So, no, you know, popping the clutch too early or anything like that. And you know,
when you turn right onto Cancha de Gaulle.
Okay, we're almost there.
In a quarter mile, turn right into the parking lot.
know, this is going to be tough. I had a little bit too much fun. I love driving this motorcycle. It was a nice day. I haven't been on it in a while. So hopefully I'm actually going to get off the bike and go into the gym. So
Turn right into the parking lot.
wish me
Then
good luck.
arrive at your destination.
They let me park out front here
Arrived.
so I don't take up a car spot, all these golfers here. Okay, so one thing I wanted to show you that's quirky about the CarPlay setup is you always want to power things up in a certain sequence. So for instance, I started the bike up, I've already connected my Bluetooth headset, and now my Bluetooth headset said, okay, yeah, I'm connected to the bike basically. So then I always wait at least 15 seconds and then connect my phone up, make sure the screen isn't locked. And it will connect to Apple CarPlay pretty consistently. That's the sequence. If you, now that everything's connected and working, if I were to power the bike off and then power the bike back on again, there's a good chance, high probability, that Apple CarPlay won't connect by itself. I would have to connect the headset. Usually that may connect by itself, but the phone won't. So then I usually wait about 15 seconds after I started the bike up and everything, and then go ahead and do what I just did now, connect the phone, and then Apple CarPlay will kick in. So I just wanted to make sure I added that information. Anyhow, all right, have a great day, you guys. See ya. Bye.